Hey, I'm walking towards the airport. The weather is freezing, it's cold. I'm at the airport and now I will pass the control and get inside. I passed all the controls. Now I need to find the gate and we are ready to fly from Madrid to Lanzarote. Ready for boarding the aircraft. Freezing, ready to fly, but very cold. Hope it will be warmer there in Lanzarote. Continue, let's discover what we will find here in Lanzarote. Nice, very happy. Finally we made it to Lanzarote. Very nice, cool, awesome. We made it, now we need to walk and walk and walk, half an hour, almost like 20 minutes. What a nice house. To get closer to the water. It will be the first time I touch the Atlantic Ocean water with my... Whoa, nice. So cool. Pretty cold, but I like it. This is a beach for dogs. Amazing. Here are the rests of a ship, of a very old ship. A skateboard park. Republic or something. More Miami, I think. Florida. Yeah, probably more like Miami. Yeah, the same kind of palm trees. Just walking on the beach. Very nice weather now. Now it's very warm, almost hot. It's a great sunny and nice. Today in Madrid it's pretty cold, and here we enjoy summer. It's very good going barefoot on the sand. Very warm and nice. Ah, I love it. So great, I needed it so much. It was another successful travel. I loved it very much. It was great. Couple of hours, but it was enough. It was very great to escape the everyday routine. So thank you for watching, and we'll finish it here in this beautiful garden. It's typical nature for Canary Islands. Very, very beautiful, nice weather, and I'm gonna catch the bus right now and go to the airport where I catch the flight and go back to Madrid. So thank you very much and bye bye.